Huh? Huh? Who are you people? Where am I? Whose stream is this? Kayani, is this your stream? Oh, you silly little Billy. Haha. What do you think you're doing? Oh, damn. Toothy kicks the door in, walks straight up to me, and just rips my shirt off and then walks away. That's crazy. Wait. Oh, yo, I need a sound effect for that, actually. Oh, what the fuck? Why am I over here? Well, there we go. That's better. Okay. Human can do. All right. Hold on. Let me go over to this screen real quick. Okay. Oh wait. You know what? Maybe I should like frame. Let's see. Chat zoom. Where's my zoom scene? Um. How's this working? I actually realized I could probably do something much better. Mwah! Hotkeys. Where is my show and hide zoom scene and overlays? Uh, I can just make this show transition. What does this look like? Oh, no, don't do that. Zoom scene, show transition, uh, fade, hide transition, fade. What does this look like? I don't like that. You know what? I think I might take a bit of time to rework my OBS because I had an idea to redo my zoom scene. It is good shirtless weather, that's true. So if I go into VTubers here, what if instead of having this dedicated zoom scene, I just have like a filters, maybe move source, call it zoom in. We capture me. Okay. Take me. Wait, how do I want to do this? Uh, OBS zoom in on screen. Big cat. Yep. Zoom in plugin. Is there a plugin for it? Uh, zoom in. Hmm. I don't know if there's a way I can do that, unfortunately. Make me really big. Okay. Bigger. Oh wait, no, I can't do this right yet. So I need zoom out. Another move source. Call it zoom out. Get this transform. Okay, and then we just do. We grab me. We get this transforms from zoom in. We close that. And now, when I press I'm gonna go to my hotkeys. Get rid of num8, num9. Get rid of you. Delete, delete. And then overlays. We wanna show uh VTubers rather. Zoom in. Zoom out. Yo, look at that. Looks much better. The
algorithm brought me here, nanas.
Nice. Welcome, algorithm. Woo! Yeah, you want to start something? That's what I thought. Flinch. You know what? I can make it even faster. Try something. Would it go? Take a swing. Okay, cool. I can actually get rid of a scene then. That's pretty cool. Remove zoom scene. Poggers. All right. Hi, Antler Noodle. But yeah. Hi, everybody. How you guys doing? Sorry, distracted. How's everybody going? Give me 1 in 10 in chat right now, or else. Welcome to Friday. Every chat color is an orange variant. You guys have no free will, is what I have come to accept. Okay, fade. We today are doing game dev. If you're not aware of what we're doing, I'm working on a project, a little roguelike twin stick shooter. And we are currently running through our pre-alpha phases, which includes 1 second, let me remember to do something real quick before I forget. I'd never do it. Okay. Quiet night for me. Aw, pet. Everyone pet Rook and call her a good girl. Yeah, we're going through our pre-alpha checklist here. We are very close to finishing phase 3. Which means phase 4 is going to be coming soon, and the hardest part of that is going to be the save load system. But once we get that out of the way, we have only one more major hurdle, and that's building the procedural generation system. And I have an idea of how I want to do it, but we got to get through the prerequisite stuff first. That's the plan. Am I gonna VR headset? Can we VR chat friends? Yes, absolutely. I'm kind of chilling on VR chat until I finally get my fucking full body tracking. But, it, bro, I got my Slime VR set in October of 2023, and they're still not here. I'm pretty sure my order was in the latest shipment, but the distributor, Mouser. I bought. So Slime VR is a company that makes these trackers, right? And they do their business. They sell through crowd supply. So you go into crowd supply, you buy Slime VR from the Slime VR company. The Slime VR company makes a bunch of sets and they ship them to their distributor, which is crowd supply. Crowd supply doesn't ship things. Crowd supply works with a major distributing company to distribute the things. So you buy from crowd supply a Slime VR product which gets shipped to crowd supply's distributing partner, Mouser, and Mouser is what ships the individual sets to the customers. And the batch that mine is in, shipment 8, got to Mouser like a month ago, and they're still shipping. They ship like 100 a week, and this is a multi-billion-dollar company, or multi-million-dollar company rather. It's ridiculous. I want my fucking trackers. Open source, though? Yeah, it is open source, yes. But once I get my trackers, I will be doing a lot more VR chat. That's what I've been kind of waiting on. I got prescription lenses, which is pretty cool for my headset, which I'm so happy about. Which reminds me, I gotta call my fucking lens crafters again. Oh, I called them last Friday because last Friday marks an entire month that I have been waiting for my glasses replacements, and like I went in on June 26th to, get a replacement done, and a month later, July 26th, I haven't heard a single thing from them. So I called them last Friday saying, "Hey, what the heck's going on? Where the fuck are my glasses?" And like, they're not here. Weird. I'm gonna do some research and I'll call you back. It's been a week. They haven't called me back. I have to call them again, dude. I'm so annoyed. I just want my lenses. Ugh. Okay. What we need to do today is we need to do these last three things. We need to do ability swapping, module swapping, and subroutines. Checking subroutines. So here is what we have thus far, chat. I don't remember where I left off on last Monday. But we have the mission tree. The hanger here. The temporary hanger screen, right? You can select the weapons you want, which enables this button to go, because you can't bring an empty loadout into the game. You have to bring a full loadout into the mission, right? You can change your abilities here, your modules. I need to implement the modules. I need to add something here to change. It might be just like a context tree, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. But yeah, you do that. You can go into the mission, select the mission, go in, and it actually brings in the loadout you selected, which I think is really cool. And I got the extract working again, so you can actually go back and change out. Isn't that cool? I was going to get script sunglasses for driving and looked at the price tags. Yeah. My sunglasses glasses pair at LensCrafters was $550, which my dad thankfully paid for. Because what am I gonna do? Like, not have glasses? But like, dude, it's been oh my god, it's been like over a month since I got them sent in. I've been using my old pair ever since. Do you guys know how annoying it is to swap between two different prescriptions? from my glasses to my sunglasses. It's infuriating. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to finish the hangar scene. I'm very interested in being done. Temporary. It's temporary stuff. But once I'm done with the temporary stuff, I should be able to translate it over to the final art very easily. So I need to implement a list for the modules. Which should be pretty easy. Should be a multi-select. How do I want to do it? Because the weapons are always going to be available on the right on the list here, but I want to be able to slot in things in and out, right? So what I need to do is I need to create items. I need to create 5 items. Call it. They need to be. Also, the music's too loud. Let me know. I just realized. Icon needs to be top. We'll say empty. Slime VR better than Vive trackers or just cheaper? I don't think Slime VRs aren't as good as Vive because Vive trackers has much more. Vive is line of sight with lighthouses, so the tracking is going to be much more accurate. Whereas Slime VR does a lot of different kind of positional inference with gyros and math and stuff like that over Wi-Fi. So while Slime VRs aren't going to be as accurate because they're not line of sight like the Vives, they do work like undercovers. They don't require line of sight, so they can be used anywhere, so long as you have an internet connection. Hi, Redechi! You precious little bean. I love you so much. Why is this not centered? Center, right? Okay, center. Cool, cool, cool. Why is this stuff not centered? What the fuck? Was it not centered in... Oh, it's not centered here either. Okay, I'm not going to do this with an item list. That is not what's going to happen. I'm going to be doing it with a VBox container. Center. We're going to also continue sizing. Okay, good. All right, cool. Having a rough run today, but hope you're doing good. Oh, you're such a sweetheart. I love you so much, Redechi. Okay, we're gonna do H boxes. H box container. Duplicate this 5 times. No, wait. First things first, we're going to layout, center it, container sizing, expand it, duplicate it 5 times. We're going to give it a panel background. We're gonna do a bit of spacing in between. Okay, so what's gonna be in this is 3 things. A button, 2 buttons, L button, L button, and R button. This is going to be M slot 1, M slot 2, M slot 3, M slot 4, M slot 5. Okay, cool. And these are going to be layout, continuous expand to fill. Layout, continuous expand. And then they're also going to have a label right in the middle. Or rather, it will be a panel. So I can actually resize it to expand. With a child label. Center, center. That seems like an awful way to do this, actually. What else control nodes do we have? I think never use a VR setup. It's fun. It's very fun. It's menu bar. Cool. Or fun. What? Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Labels don't seem like the best. What is a 9-patch rect? Oh, interesting. Okay. Reference rects. Hmm. Text edit? No. What, like a child, a center container. Layout, containers expanded. So it takes up most of it, right? As a child of this, we get a label. Make its font size bigger. do is its default value is empty. Color, font color needs to be white. Thanks for the pets. Much appreciated. Okay, so what you do is you get rid of you. What if I set? Thanks for the follow, Yaneko. Much appreciated, bud. Also, folks, welcome back from the ad break. Sorry if they are awful, but they help me pay the bills until I can get some work. Not follows. Wait, what am I talking about? Thank you. Much appreciated. Hit the follow button down below if you haven't already. It's literally free. It helps me out a ton. Also, consider hitting the quirky little blue button down there to subscribe so you can give yourself or others the gift of ad-free viewing, emotes, and most importantly, the ability to grab my tail, which is like the entire thing about this stream. This is why I do it. Hint. Hint. Yeah, much appreciated, folks. I do art giveaways. My pen is getting here on Sunday, so hopefully that fixes my tablet problems and I'll be able to draw again. Which means Tuesday should be an art stream, and I have 4 giveaways to do. However, if we can hit 10 subs, as denoted by August Tail Tubs in the top, Tail Tugs, at the top left side of the screen, I will do 5 giveaways. We do one every 5 subs. I want to add a border. Can I do that? Godot. HBox border. Theme overrides. I mean, yeah. And the tail's the best part of the body. This is not what I want. Nope. Um, box container. Do you have like center? Godot box container borders. Oh, sorry for the flashbang. Oh, so I should like wait. Oh, so what I should do is make a panel. Make a panel. Bring it up and make them each children. The feds found me. Yep. They're coming for you specifically, Akayani, so get ready. Everybody knows you're high, Kayani. Why does this look so bad? Why is the buttons... Why are they slightly not correct? Huh? Why is this? What the fuck? M-Slot, what are you doing? Whatever, I guess. Um, okay, so I need to make a new script. Create new script. Call it module list. There's an X in that. What the fuck? Okay, and this is gonna be very similar to our weapon types scripts. Just a dictionary with a ton of weapon types defined. So what I'm just gonna make a couple burner ones just to get it going. So we're gonna say var module list equals. We need our empty one. Is that how you do it? Or equals, not colon. Uh, what do modules do? Oh no, I have to define what modules do. Oh boy, what are modules gonna affect? Health, obviously. Health, armor. Um, okay, I need to write this down. Module types. Health, armor, damage, AoE, size, rate of fire, shooting speed. Yeah, rate of fire. Rate of fire. Movement speed. Cooldown, ability cooldown. Welcome to the Coom Zone. Good name, bud. Good name. Thanks for the follow. Welcome on in. Ability cooldown. Okay, we'll start with that. Empty, and then we haven't. I mean, yeah. Okay, so type is going to be empty. Another one. We'll do module lists. This is a bunch of different modules. We'll call it oh, let's just do like overclock 1. City Sue, hello, welcome on in. So these are going to be modifiers, right? So when you have a module, it's going to go through your module list. It's going to go through each of the modules they have. It's going to take the values in each of those modules and then multiply them onto your current player stats. So like for example, overclock 1 is going to be like a general across the board. So overclock 1, it's going to, we'll say it takes your health and multiplies it by 1.5. So adds on 50%. We're going to do that for everything. You should probably make a stat object. I did. Well, it's just a GD script. Okay. I'm streaming tonight for my first time. I'm a DJ. Nice. Very cool. You know what I'm also gonna do is I'm going to go into the player object. And I'm also going to get a label as part of the player. Put it right over. Oh, this is. Put it right here. And we're going to call it debug. Well, good luck, Kumzone. Hopefully it goes super well. And when the player is ready, it's going to init all its properties and stuff. And then we're going to do debug.text plus equals health. Equals health. Health. Take this and just go like. Nope. Whoops. Nope. Okay. We need movement speed. Rotate speed. Streaming software. Really? Shadow play. Interesting. This is Godot. This is Godot City Suit. So nothing. Cool. And choose you. Go into the mission. Crash. Oh, whoops. There we go. Hopefully that works. Cannon, railgun. Cannon, railgun. What the fuck? That's not correct. Huh? Is it upside down? Oh, it was upside down. That explains so much. I think it's Apollo City suit. It's huge. What the fuck? Uh, Bro, what the heck's going on? Huh? Uh, remake this. Remake this node. It's broken. Call it debug. Unique name. Okay, does that work? That does work, yes. Let's do it over here. Move it up here. And in the corner. Okay. Now we have a debug. We can actually see what's going on. Can I like actually just run this in this scene specifically? Yeah, okay, man, that wasn't gonna work, obviously. In coding, I have a degree in computer science. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science. So I've been coding for quite some time. God, I don't get to say that often enough. um, but yeah, I started college in 2014, and I meandered a bit, but I graduated in 2021. So that is my background. It's pretty basic. I mean, I don't have anything special. I went to college in 2014. That's when I started going to community college. Uh, I did computer science for like 2 years, but like I was getting depressed about how awful I was doing. So I took a break and I did music theory for 2.5 years. Yeah, I did music for like two and a half years, which I'm was the best time in college for me personally. I had so much fun. Best years of my college I've spent. I love music. Um, but then I went back to doing computer science again. That was probably 2016 probably is I think is when I started college. Yes. Cuz I remember Music Theory 2 was the semester that Trump got elected. Sorry, that's just how I'm not going into politics, but that's just how I segment years in my life. Um, I went to Music Theory 2. I was with that teacher, which meant okay, yeah, that makes sense. I started Music Theory in 2016. And I did it for about 2 years. So 2018 is when I went back to going into computer science for my major. Um, got the ball rolling on that. Transferred to my university in 2019, I think. And then in 2021, I graduated with a bachelor's. Papa programmer. That's true. I am Archon. I'm a big cat with a big degree, uh, and a even better tail that is uh thrashing because it's not being touched right now. Chat. I'm looking at you. Does your I graduated? Yep. And it's been 3 years since I graduated with a degree, and I still don't have a software job, so I gave up. Yep. Up top, Antler. Up top. Okay. What was I doing? Modules. That's what I was doing. Where is that file? Damage. How do I do damage? Ugh. I need to have a function in the um player script that applies all of the stats from the overclocks you have enabled. Graduate of IT and specialize in programming. Yep. I took a break from hunting for software job because it was also making me horrifically depressed. Uh, I put it on the back burner and I'm looking for just part-time work just to fill in the time. And I'm doing game dev as a hobby. Maybe that'll take me somewhere. For my entire life, chat, I've told this story before, but I'll tell it again. For my entire fucking life, I had the dream of making games. It was like my guiding star throughout my entire childhood and high school and middle school and all that stuff. But then when I actually got confronted with the reality of what it looked like, I got horrifically turned off by it. Like, the horrible crunch, low industry pay, that sort of thing. The work-life balance just wasn't there. So I kind of decided I wasn't going to get into game development and just do general software engineering. But, like, I don't give a shit about the tech industry. I don't have any passion for, oh, this cool framework lets you fucking gigafart this Terra shit AI out into the market. I don't increase sales. Social media, dude, dude, bite my fucking tail, dude. I don't give a shit. All right, that stuff is soulless, meaningless, and it's just a mess. It's a horrible mess. So, I think I lost my way a bit. Games are my passion, my one true passion in life. So, I'm trying to make it happen. What games have you made? I have not made any games yet. This is my first one. Yeah. I'm trying to get my shit back on track, right? Realign goals, find passions, find hobbies. Because beelining it for software almost killed me, man. That was awful. Not worth. Mm. Do I want to control the damage to that script? Because the damage is applied by the gun and not by the actual player. So was AoE and ROF. I don't even have an ability thing. No, that's fine. We'll take this. We'll make one more. Okay, there's three. Whatever. Who cares? And is weapon type. Is this a class? No. Okay. Module list, and then this has a get. Yeah. Okay. Let's do a module list. Func get modules. Return module list. I suck at it though. It's. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Hildebrand. Much appreciated. My advice to coding is it's a lot, right? Obviously, it's Captain Obvious here. Coding is a lot. It's a lot to take in. There's a lot of thrown at you at front. You get hooked up with like what's the best language, you know, or whatever, right? Um, you kind of have to like you kind of have to horse blinder yourself a little bit, right? Of course, this varies from person to person, but this what works for me. Uh, you gotta horse blinder yourself, and only you need to focus on a specific aspect of a language or a project or a framework or whatever we want, and just take bits and pieces that you need from it. Don't try to overwhelm yourself by hammering coding fundamentals into your brain because it's just going to overwhelm you, especially if you're self-taught. You're just going to overwhelm and burn out, which is what happened to me in my first years of college. Hence the 2-year music theory break. Take it slow. Learn. Go like when you look up tutorials, just take the bits and pieces you need, and just ignore the rest. Um, that being said, if you are going to college, then definitely do hammer in the fundamentals because you're gonna get fucked if you don't. But if you're doing self-taught, then you have the luxury of going at your own pace. So just don't overwhelm yourself. So choose a project, something that seems fun, be it game dev or a program or anything. It could be even just like a simple Python script to automate some part of your life, right? Or it doesn't even have to be Python. It can just be like PowerShell, like super basic Windows stuff. Like for me, for example, part of that was like making a Windows batch file just on my desktop, opening it in Notepad, and just adding in some Windows PowerShell commands to launch all of my computer programs when I start my computer because startup takes forever. The automatic startup Windows function, like so you can select programs that automatically launch when Windows launches, takes forever. So I just like fuck it. I'll make a batch file that I can just double click when I get up. It'll open all my programs instantly. So I open Steam, I open Discord, I open Telegram instantly. I also have a similar thing going for my stream setup. So like especially if you get like into complicated VTubing, you're gonna be opening a lot of programs. OBS, VSeeFace, VTube Studio, StreamerBot, or whatever bot you use. Uh, so I just wrote a batch file on Windows that just opens all those programs with a single double click. Very handy. Make many small projects, yes. Just choose something simple, something super basic. Like a single file script or like a Windows console program. That's what I did basically my entire college career was write programs that just ran in the Windows console, Windows command prompt. Super simple stuff. Just like think of something cool and just look up the tutorials. You're not gonna be like it's not gonna make you off the bat like a god gamer, right? When it comes to programming, it's no one no one is that guy that's able to take an entire watermelon and swallow it whole. Uh, no one can do that. It's more of a death by a thousand cuts. Well, yeah. You take the boss that is coding knowledge and you hack at it bit by bit um and until it's dead and then you gain its knowledge. You gain every time you hack at the boss, you gain a little bit of coding knowledge. And when it's dead, there's nothing you think you can do. Also, when it attacks, you dodge roll. The attacks are burnout. You dodge burnout. Simple platformer, simple strategy game base, an RPG combat system. Yeah, you don't have to make an entire game. Just like make a system or a tech demo, right? Whatever seems cool, right? I kind of jumped into the deep end with making an entire game because I do have a degree. I do have the knowledge to to see it through. But this is definitely not something you should just jump in and do. Don't make my mistakes. Okay, we have a module list, and what we need to do first is we need to go into the hangar and be able to select them. So what that means is we have to load puppet weaponists. We need to func load module lists. So we need to call. Where are we getting our weapon types? Weapon types is an auto load? Oh, it is. Okay, modules. Add it. Module types. Where are you? Module list. Module list. Oh. Module list, where are you? There we go. And now that's that, so we're gonna get in hangar our module list equals module list and get modules. All right. Yes. Okay. I have a degree. I don't have knowledge, but I have a degree. Hooray! Hi, May. How you doing, puppy? How was the trip going? We should hang out this weekend. That'd be really fun. Um, what do I need to do? I need to create a string. Okay, I need to make an array of objects. So var uh for module for I and module list um, var module array equals empty array. Go iterate through it. Module array dot append module append I. Let's print string module array head I. Oh, whoops. No, that's wrong. Modulus dot size -1. Module array at I. Yeah, that works. Module list at I. We print module as a string. Module array at I. There we go. Oh, we're not doing anything with this. Put weapon lists. Load module lists. There we go. This crashed. So we can't do it like this. We have to. Just do that. Okay, that worked. The lion to the left. That's my loaf. That's loaf. He's jamming out. He dances. So I have a module array. I have an array of the modules that are currently. Oh wait. Yeah. Oh yeah. I get all the modules that we have access to. Start streaming. I'm gonna take a look. The zoo. Wait, which zoo? The San Francisco Zoo? Also, I didn't know Carador was here. Huh? Wait, are you here with Carador? The Oakland Zoo. Maybe. I don't really have any money. I'm kind of like piss broke right now, but that sounds like fun. Ugh. What do I need to do now? So I have the list. I have an array. I wanted to add to that array. I'll let you know after stream. May. I'll think about it. What do I need to do here? How do I want to do this? Think for the pets, Kayani. Hmm. Um. No problem, May. I love you. Are you here? Wait. So I didn't think Carador doesn't live here, does he? Are you here with Carador? How do I want to do this? This is. So basically, what I'm trying to think is when I click these buttons, I want to cycle through all the modules you have. But obviously, I don't want you to be able to add in the same module to every slot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do var module slots. He's local. Oh, what? He is? I did not know Carador was local. Module slots equals an array. Empty. Okay, you can't do this. Oh, wait, no. Can do this. I can do that. Oh yeah, of course. Don't worry about it. So module selected. Module slots. Okay, cool. Go in here. So we have. I'm not even gonna bother with this array right now. So what are you going to do when you push that button? So the ready function, which I don't have. I don't have a ready function. Is there like a... When is ready called? Node is considered ready. Okay, so ready. So func ready. It's going to initialize for I in module slots. Var modules equals module list.get modules. We're going to modules I equals for I in range 0 to 5. Module slots ni is equal to modules ni. Modules at empty. So when this scene is ready, when it's initialized and ready to go, it's going to go through this entire list and initialize this array to all empty. So let's go ahead and go to a bunch of lists. I want to print. It's a string module slots. Let's make sure it's doing what I think it's doing. It's empty. They're all empty. Okay, instead of this here, let's just do it here. Oh, I'm shirtless now. Hello. Okay, cool. So they're empty now. Gotcha. All right. Um. So what I'm going to do is, let's see. Let's make a new function in the hanger. We'll call it right below the module lists. Call func swap modules, and we'll give it a let's give it a direction. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. So left button. We need to bind it to swap. I need to do it in script, I think. So on the tree enters, we need to ah God. So I want to access M slot as a unique name. This is a unique name. Maybe the tail grabs me. Slot 1, M slot 2, M slot 3, slot 4. You're such a good puppy. I give you a big kiss. Mwah. 5. Unique name. Unique name. Unique name. Unique name. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a function called link module buttons. Func link module buttons. So we're going to go M slot 1 dot slash L button. Whoa. That's too big. M slot 1 dot slash L button. M slot 1 slash L button dot connect. Okay, how do I do connect again? In the mission blueprint, a mission tree. Connect it to swap modules dot bind left, right? Dot R button, right? So we take this. Take these two. So bink. No. Okay. Slots. Slot 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. This is horrible. I hate this, but it's what I'm doing. It is what I am choosing to do. So now we pass it left and right, right? Okay. Cool. What is that even gonna do? um uh how are we gonna do this? When I want to take, I have a list of modules right here in modules, right? In fact, I'm actually gonna make var available modules. Down here, we're gonna set available modules. So by default, the nice ears. Thank you. Somehow I remember my time in college. My teachers don't have a clue how programming works and forced us to make a program purely from memory in 2 hours. Oh, that sucks. I remember one of my first programming projects in like computer science 1 was making a clock in Java using Notepad. And my partner and I fucking killed it, dude. We aced that project. That was great. I was pretty good friends with the guy in my first computer science classes, and we were kind of like a power duo. I'll be honest. Whenever we got group projects, we scripted together and just fucking killed it. It was very fun. I am going to get a drink real quick, chat, which means I'm slinging you guys over here. Be right back. Haha. Default shit, yeah, it was awful. Notepad, not a great IDE. Fun fact. It wasn't even Notepad++, it was just basic bitch Notepad. It was the worst. Okay, what is this gonna do? Available modules. When you select a button, it's going to select um if mm, basic HTML, I guess. Fuck, how do I want to do this, dude? I feel like I ask myself that question constantly, but it's true. How the hell am I gonna do this? Hi, Stripey. How you doing, bud? Good to see ya. Thanks for pets. How do I want to? Do I have like swap? I gotta keep a position tracker, but that doesn't sound like a good idea. Um, Thank you for the tail grabs. Uh, how do I want to do this? God damn, this is more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. We have an available module slot. Available modules is a list of modules we have access to. Um, when you okay, so what I'm gonna do is when you do I want to do it like this? Okay, so instead of two buttons, I'm not gonna do it like this. Instead, what we're gonna do is we're going to make these labels buttons. Okay. Gonna make those buttons. So what we're gonna do is get rid of like most of these. One. Slot 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm gonna take you, and you. For you, just call it a label. Thanks for the pets. Hi, Leggy. How you doing? Okay. Here's what we're going to do. When you click this button, just to change, it's gonna rotate through the entire list of it's gonna rotate through the list of available modules. So what it's going to do is it's going to slot. We do a match case. So match slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5. Okay, so what is this going to do? It's going to so if the size of available modules is 1, if this is only size 1, that means you have no available modules. With the only empty. There's only empty. So if available modules dot size is equal to 1, just return. In which case we'll do that to start just as a bounds check. Okay, so but if it isn't 1, if there is something in the modules available modules, if you have a module available, you select which slot you want to add it into. And it's gonna rotate from start to finish. So it's going to get module slots at 0 is equal to available modules at 1. And we can just do the same thing for these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's going to take out. Okay, Godot dictionary. It's going to remove that one from the dictionary. Erase. Find key. Finds and returns the first key whose associated value is equal to value or no. No, I just want to get. Okay. This isn't gonna work because this. Mm, module list. Hmm. So what we'll do is for I in available modules if I is not equal to empty. Equal to I. And instead of I, call it module. Need a body? No, what? Huh? Swap modules, buy in slot 1. You got it. I'm just gonna ignore it for now. So we're gonna find the first module in our available modules list that isn't empty and set that to that slot, and then we're going to take that go to available modules at module. And then we're going to erase. Is it erase? Is that the function? Yeah. Available modules dot erase module. Then return. Okay, I gotta piss real quick. Be right back, chat. It is time. Okay. Hello. Hello, my lovelies. Okay. Um, so what I need to do first is I need to check if module slots at 0 is equal to empty. Wait, actually, print. I've already printed this. I can just look up. Type empty. If module slots at 0 dot type is equal to empty, do this. Do all that. But if it isn't empty, oh, I should go into module slots actually. Module slots, module list, type, upgrade, type, upgrade. Okay. Else. Hmm. Type it's an upgrade. If it's not empty, it's an upgrade. So we need to take module slots at 0, and we need to add it back into the available modules dictionary. So we're gonna do available modules at module slots at 0. Module list. Do it name. Whoops. Okay. Module slots. Available modules at module slots at 0 dot name equals module slots at 0. So we take it at the name, we add in its sets. Cool. Hmm. Cool. We do that. We add that back into the array. Oh, wait, this is really complicated. I have a much easier way to do this. To these, we're going to type, and we're going to add in an available tag. We're going to add an available tag. And instead of doing it like this, we're gonna start over. What I want to do is iterate through the available modules list for module in modules. If available modules at module dot available of available equals true and available modules at module and module is not equal to empty. Module slots at 0 equals available modules at module. I'm shirtless now. What the fuck? So set that module equal to the slots and then set available modules at module dot available equals false. Let's try that in slot 1. What is this? Oh, not pressed. There we go. I should fix it. Did not work. Uh, M slot 1 slash center container. Crashed. Crash. Also, that is a good point, actually. Inspector, layout, container sizing. Why are you not the size of layout? Yeah. I probably don't even need this. Now I can expand the button. Very good. That looks much better, which means I can get rid of the panel. Panel's not really needed anymore. In fact, even these aren't needed anymore. M slot 1, M slot 2, M slot 3, M slot 4, M slot 5. Unique name, unique name, unique name, unique name, unique name. You didn't work for some reason. That's so quirky. There we go. That looks better. And it's simpler. Okay. That crashes. Get index available. Wait, okay, so slot 1. Right, match value. Okay, cool. Fine. Module empty. We need to put this here first. And I should fix that, I think. Okay, cool. And we set m slot 1 dot text equal to module slots at 0 dot name. Neat. But it's not cycling through them. That's not supposed to happen. Okay. So you need to print as a string uh, module slots. Module slots dot name. crash. That's not gonna work. Not gonna work. Okay. Print as a string of available modules. Block 1, empty. Block 1, and block 2. It's available true. Available true. Why are you going straight to overclock 2? You have overclock 1 right there. So if it's not empty, it's going to iterate through the available modules. Um, fuck, dude, I'm like totally brained out today. Holy moly. This is throwing me for a fucking loop. Hmm. So what, here, let me show you what I'm trying to do, right? I just want to get I'm getting, I have a modules that you've unlocked, right? You're gonna get a list of it. When you click each of these buttons, it's going to just cycle through all the modules you have, right? It's gonna cycle through all the different modules you have unlocked for these slots, right? But obviously, I don't want you to be able to slot in multiple of the same type of modules. So like when you click one, you shouldn't be able to slot it into other ones, right? You only have one of each. So, and the data structure I'm deciding to do with is really bad. This is not going to work the way I want it to. Hmm. I don't know. Do I want to have like I could just like set it to try to set it to a module, but if it already exists in the module slot, then don't. I don't know, chat. I don't know. I have to rethink this, I think. My brain is so totally fried, I cannot focus. So, honestly, I think I'm just gonna take us over to the ending screen and have a half day today because I just cannot comprehend what's going on right now with Godot. But rest assured, I will return, hopefully with this problem solved, on Monday, where we will continue our efforts and hopefully start working on getting a save load system working. That'd be really cool. But yeah, sorry for the short one. Brain is just off today. Otherwise, everybody, thank you for watching. All the subs, bits, donos, follows, lurkers, chatters, and everybody in between. Y'all are wonderful, amazing, special. Never forget it. I appreciate every one of you for hanging out. Uh, let's go say hi. Are they still playing? Yes. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna go say hi to Mail City because they're playing something really cool with a oh, wait a minute. Oh, they're ending. Fuck. Okay. In that case, we'll do a revenge raid. We'll go say hi to Melon. Melon is a very good friend of mine. They're very sweet, very fun. If you like my content, you'll like theirs even more. They're completing Minecraft. Minecraft is pretty cool. But yeah, I'll see you guys again on Monday. We'll pick up where we left off. Well, not left off. I'll do some work over the weekend to get this not fucked, and then we'll pick up where we left off. So I will see y'all then. Have a wonderful rest of your time zone. Raymich is going to be revenge. Use my emotes if you got them. If you don't, consider subscribing down below to get them, or just use whatever you want. It is no problem whatsoever. But yeah, have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Hopefully my pen will get here on Sunday, and it will fix all my tablet problems. If not, I'll cry. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So have a good one, everybody. Big love. Yeah. Bye bye.